Welcome to a demonstration of the OpenLM agent's basic functionalities. Now we'll see how to enable license availability interface for the end users, license availability notifications for the end users, and also how to prevent end users from stopping or closing the OpenLM agent. So all you need to do is go to the OpenLM interface, click Start, Administration, Agent Policy, and here you can decide if you want to hide the exit option from the end users, maybe to hide the agent configurations, to hide the license usage information, or to give them notifications once a license they got denied from is now available. So let's see how it looks like on the end user workstation itself. On the icon right here, you can hide the exit or OpenLM agent configurations, and you can even hide the license usage information. Now the license usage information screen shows the end user which licenses there are, which are available, and which are currently used. Also who is using them and their details as well. And that's it, pretty simple. The notification itself will show up once the user gets denied and the license has become available. Thanks. Bye.